Oh, I love you, Ben. And a good bird. You hold me in your eyes in your own special way. I wonder how you know the things I never say. I can't imagine life without you by my side. The power of your love is all I need tonight. I know there have been times that have caused you pain. I'd turn them all around if I could start again. There's something I must say. I know it's a virtue. I, the sweetest thing I've known or ever called my own begins in one secret. How I love, how I love. The softness of your lips, the color of your hair, the memory of your touch remains here not when you're not there. The echoes of your laughter when I'm feeling blue, the meaning of my life. It all begins with you.